How to back up WhatsApp chats to Google Drive. This step-by-step guide shows you how to save all your messages and media to the cloud. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Following that, tap on Settings from the drop-down options. Now, tap on Chats to access your chat settings. Moving forward, tap on Chat Backup to view backup options. Afterwards, make sure you're signed in with your Google account by checking the account name displayed. In addition to that, if no account is shown, tap on Account and select your Google account. Once there, tap on Backup to manually create a backup of all your messages and media immediately. Subsequently, you'll see the backup progress with a percentage indicator. Moreover, to set up automatic backups, tap on Backup to Google Drive below the Manual Backup button. Afterwards, choose how often you want automatic backups: daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap Backup. Then, select your preferred backup frequency based on how often you want your chats saved. Within the backup settings, you can also choose whether to include videos by toggling Include Videos on or off. Alternatively, including videos will use more storage space but ensures all your media is backed up. Once you've configured your settings, tap on Backup Over to choose between Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. Then your WhatsApp chats will be automatically backed up to Google Drive according to your schedule. And that's it. If this backup tutorial helped you secure your WhatsApp conversations, show your support with a like. Subscribe for more WhatsApp data protection guides and enable the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.